In this window, we see a 3D object. We can move it by clicking the left mouse button. We see a block in the scene. The axes on the ground are the X and Y axes. X is red, Y is green. In the vertical is the blue Z axis. We can see this by changing the dimensions. For example, the length, Lx, we move it along the X-axis, the red one. With Ly, we move it along the Y-axis, the width, and with Lz, we vary its height. By varying the dimensions of this block, we also vary the position of this blue vertex. This blue vertex is defined by its x, y, z coordinates, which in this case are Lx, Ly, Ly, Lz. For example, z, if we lower it to 0, it is on the ground, and we see that when we raise the block, we have the z coordinate, which in this case is 55. The same if we move one of its dimensions. What we are moving are the coordinates of this point where z is measured, which is the height above the ground. The x, which is the distance from this point to the plane, defined by the y and z axes. The Lx here would be the value of 0, and the Ly gives us the distance to the xz plane, that is the perpendicular to the y-axis. In the same figure, we can zoom with the scroll wheel or move the figure with the right button. In this scene, we have also marked another vertex, the vertex of the origin. This has coordinates 0, 0, 0, 0, and is not changed by changing the size of this block.